AXINO is a communication service providing company based in Stuttgart, Germany. We are the bridge between public traded companies from Australia and Canada, mainly in the mining space. Since 2001 we have been focusing on the mining sector, and therefore we have been involved in approximately 100 companies, different stages from exploration, development and production. And therefore we have a lot of experience in that sector, we have a great network, and of course we have learned the risk profiles of each company and in different jurisdictions.
Companies explore for precious metals or produce them. Investors make up their minds about their projects, watching the presentations and talking personally to the CEOs.
And we have done that over the last 20 years. With my banking background, we know exactly how to get the awareness for investors and our clients we represent. That know-how we offer to our investor community, and those are investors from the retail side and from institutions. And actually they know that we also invest our own money, so we are actually sitting together with them in the same boat, even if there is a conflict of interest. But you can read it in our disclaimer, all is public and transparent. So the question is, how can we brand companies and how do those public traded companies get awareness in our investor community? Let me start with our editorial platform called Gold Invest. Some 10 years ago, we have decided to set up an own editorial team writing about companies we represent. And we have opened up that platform for other mining companies too. And it has been now the very well established resource platform in the German-speaking financial communities. We have a lot of visitors from retail investors, but also institutions. On the other hand, we help companies to get direct access to institutional investors by going out and doing roadshows, one-on-one meetings, or organize a lunch presentation. But finally, it is important also to be present at conferences. And therefore, we have an own strategy to brand our AXINO clients under the AXINO umbrella. For example, we have started to write a booklet which we call AXINO Aktienspiegel. We have a 2-page portrait of all the companies we represent. Each one is very well positioned, and we have recognized that investors like that. Take that with them at home, read it carefully, because we take a lot of time to get really the equity story into the investor community.
Investors understand the risks in the commodity market. The risk is disappointing drilling. The opportunity is substantial stock value growth when explorers hit deposits.
So it's up to you to make your decision if you want to diversify your shareholder structure. If so, we can help you with that. We will dual list your company on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, which is the door opener to the German-speaking retail investor market, and then we do exactly what I have tried to explain to you. We have done that for many, many years, and for a lot of companies. We are experienced, and please talk to us if you have any questions. Thanks.